We're here at Walter's trying out their pizza. We have an absolutely beautiful December night. We've got a couple days away from Christmas. It's like 45 degrees out here. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're trying their pizza. This place is awesome. North Colorado Springs Flying Horse. It's got some flop, but that's okay. It looks like got a nice crispy crust. Man, let's dive into it. One bite, everybody knows the rules. That is good. This is not identifying as New York style. So the fact that it's a little floppy is totally fine. And that was a solid slice. The cheese pull is real. Got a nice crispy crust. Pepperoni is awesome. There's not too much sauce. For how much cheese there is, there's not too much sauce, and I like it. The dough is thinner than it may seem. It's got crunch, but it's got this real softness to it that I really like. The cheese on this it's not super salty. It's really, really good. This has got to be one of the best cheeses on a pizza that I think I've ever had. That goes down so easy. I think this is the first time in a review. I'm gonna eat the entire slice just in reviewing it. We're gonna give this a, we're just gonna 8.8. 8.8, this is a phenomenal pizza. The dough, super fresh, crispy, on the thinner side. It's cooked absolutely marvelously. The cheese is solid, it's not too salty. The sauce is nice and savory, it's not overwhelming. Pepperoni is excellent. This pizza is absolutely amazing. Nice job. Alrighty, everybody, we're here with real estate advisor Kathy Skaggs with Engel Volkers. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and the pizza for everyone to enjoy.
Absolutely.
Tell us more about what you do and how you can help people.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you, the thing that makes me tick the most is Lou Holtz once said, the Notre Dame coach, he said that there are three things that are most important about real estate or being a good advisor. One is, how much do I care? How competent am I? And lastly, and not any less important, is can you trust me? And that's probably the care and the trust and the competency are all so important. And that's what I aim to do.
All right, and once again, thank you so much for sponsoring the video and the event and all the pizza. What is the best way to get a hold of you for those who are looking to buy, sell, or invest in any kind of real estate?
Well, that's super simple. So Kathy Skaggs. So my email is kathy@diligent.homes. My phone number is 719-822-1855, and my website is just diligent.homes.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you to everyone who came out. And please don't forget, over at AmeriDri Restoration, we are your one-stop shop for anything emergency disaster related, whether it's mold, water, fire, odor, trauma cleanup. We are there for you, 24-hour emergency service. Let us help you when life gets messy. We clean it up. AmeriDri Restoration.